Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are fine at your place. Class 6, now we will start. Our next subtopic is technique of tool making of second chapter early humans. First we will read about stone on stone. In this, the stone to be shaped into a tool was held in one hand and another stone was held in the other hand, and this second stone was used as hammer to hit the first stone till this first stone acquired a desired shape. Second one is pressure flaking. In this, the stone which was to make tool placed on a hard or flat surface. Suppose this is a flat or hard surface, then another sharp stone was kept on that stone which was to make tool. Then another stone used as hammer to struck the hard on the surface of the stone to make tool. And this was done till this stone acquired a desired shape, and this technique is called pressure flaking. These stone tools had many uses for early humans. They used these stone tools to cut trees, scrape the bark of trees, dig the ground, hunt animals, stitch animal skins to make clothes, and to chop meat, fruits, and wood. Now next we will read about human discover fire. Imagine only for one day, if we do not get fire, then how would be our life? Imagine that. So, fire is the most important discovery which early humans did. Fire is the most important discovery which early humans did. It is not known how it happened. Maybe when they were rubbing two flint stone together while making stone tools, a spark fell on some dry leaves lying nearby, or maybe lightning struck a tree and it went up in flames. When fire discovered, early humans learned the uses of fire over a period of time. It provided them light and kept them warm. They kept a fire burning at the entrance of their caves to scare wild animals. They used fire to cook their food. And it was happened accidentally when a piece of raw meat have fallen into the fire and got roasted. It would have tasted good. After that, humans started cooking their food in the fire. Now next we will read about early rock paintings. Now we have so many things for our entertainment, like we can watch TV, listen songs, play games. Like the same way, early humans also started to painting for their fun and to express their feelings on the walls of the caves. So now many caves which we found that have paintings which were done by early humans, like Bhimbetka. Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh is famous for prehistoric rock paintings. Prehistoric rock paintings, where out of 750 rock shelters, 500 have paintings. These paintings depict scenes from everyday life, like men hunting, riding, dancing, performing rituals, women grinding and preparing food, children running, jumping, playing, and so on. And painting of large number of animals also found. So the colors used in these paintings are red, green, white, and ochre. Ochre means the color varying from light yellow to brown or red. See, this is the ochre color. These paints were made from grinding various rocks and minerals till they become powder. They were then mixed with water and some sticky substances such as resin from trees. Now next we will read about the Deccan. Hunski and Baijbel Valley in the Deccan have Stone Age sites. Many finished and unfinished stone tools are found here. It appears that early humans lived here over a long period of time. So that's all for today. I hope you will understand the topics which I taught in this video. If you have any query, you can ask from me. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks.